Okay, now before doing chemical properties, we'll start physical properties. So, number one physical property, the lower member alcohol are colorless liquids with distinct smell. Lower member alcohol means the smaller alcohol like methanol, ethanol, propanol, butanol. They are considered as lower member alcohol and they always exist as liquid and they have some smell also. Do you know which alcohol is used for drinking purpose? Ethanol. Ethanol is used for drinking purpose, but methanol, it is highly poisonous one. Do you know what is absolute alcohol? What is rectified spirit? You should know about this. So lower member alcohols are colorless liquid with distinct smell. Higher member alcohols are colorless, odorless solids. Higher members are always exist as solid and they have no smell. Second one, the boiling point of alcohols. The boiling point of alcohols are higher than their corresponding alkanes. Corresponding alkane means methanol have higher boiling point than methane, ethanol have higher boiling point than ethane, propanol have higher boiling point than propane, like that. That is called corresponding alkanes. And why the boiling point of alcohols are higher than alkanes? This is because alcohol can form intermolecular hydrogen bonding. And how they form the intermolecular hydrogen bonding? This is one alcohol. Oxygen is electronegative, that's why it become polar. It produces delta plus and delta minus. This is another alcohol, ROH. Here also delta plus delta minus it will produce. So the positive end of one molecule attract by the negative end of another molecule and they can form hydrogen bonding like this. And those organic compound which can form hydrogen bonding, they have always higher boiling point, melting point. Why? When they form the intermolecular hydrogen bonding, then some molecular association takes place, and due to this association, the overall mass of the compound going on increasing, and that is why boiling point, melting point also going on increasing. So that is why alcohol have higher boiling point than alkanes. Alkanes do not have any your electronegative element, and that is why alkane cannot form any kind of hydrogen bonding, and that is why alkane have lower boiling point. And number 3, the alcohols, smaller alcohols are highly soluble in water. This is because alcohol molecule can form hydrogen bonding with water molecules. I will show you how they form the hydrogen bonding. This is one alcohol, ROH. Since it is polar, it produces delta minus, delta plus. And this is one water molecule H2O. Water is also polar, oxygen minus, hydrogen delta plus. So this hydrogen can form hydrogen bonding with this oxygen. I mean alcohol, water, hydrogen bonding. So those organic compound which can form hydrogen bonding with water, they always will be soluble in water. Those organic compound which cannot form hydrogen bonding with water, they become insoluble in water. So alcohol are soluble in water due to formation of hydrogen bonding with water molecule. You know, this is called solute and this is called solvent. In solution chapter you have got, due to formation of hydrogen bonding, solute solvent force of attraction is stronger, and due to solute solvent force of attraction they become soluble. But those in those solution in which solute solvent force of attraction is less than the solvent, then the solute become insoluble in water. So alcohol can form hydrogen bonding with water, and that's why they become soluble. But those alcohols are soluble which are smaller. Here I have used smaller alcohols. As the size of alcohol increases, I mean if the alcohol is higher member, then they are unable to form the hydrogen bonding with water molecule, and that is why higher member alcohols are insoluble in water. In case of higher member alcohol, the size of the alkyl group, R group, going on increasing. Due to increase in size of R, it is unable to form the hydrogen bonding, and due to which higher member alcohols are insoluble in water. So always you remember, lower member alcohols are highly soluble in water because they can form intermolecular hydrogen bonding with water, but higher member alcohols, due to presence of large size alkyl group, they cannot form the hydrogen bonding with water molecule, and that is why higher member alcohols are insoluble in water. So these are the three main physical properties of alcohols. Here one question asks, lower member alcohols are soluble in water but higher member alcohols are insoluble. Explain. You have to explain like this way. Why alcohols have higher boiling point than their corresponding alkanes? You have to explain like this way. I mean the second point. So this type of reasoning question may ask in your exam. Thank you.